Dear students, in my last video I explained about permanent residency in the UK, and in this video I am going to give a briefing on the lifestyle in the UK. Most of you all are aware that the UK is made up of four, that is England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. Each has its own unique culture and identity. Different regions within each country also have their own identities. For example, it is said that people from the north of England are more direct and outspoken than those from the south. The United Kingdom is a welcoming and friendly place to live and study. It is easy to find good food in the UK, and it has world's top restaurants. For students, there are lots of cheap restaurants and food markets are available at a low cost budget. It is also possible to taste food of the countries of Italy, Indian, Chinese, Thai and Mexican. Traditional British food includes fish and chips, full English breakfast, Yorkshire pudding, cream tea, local cheese, and of tea and cake. Supermarkets are good places to find cheap options for lunch and snack to reduce the cost of living, especially for students. Many students are attracted to the country by its standard of living and the quality of higher education, as the UK has a long standing tradition of providing quality education. Then, talking about the weather, it has long, cold winters, which should be exciting for students from warmer climates. The spring and summer months usually offer their fair share of sunny days. Even at the height of summer, rain is always a possibility. On winter days, it can get dark before 4 pm. When we look at diversity in the UK has a very diverse population. People from all over the world live here. There are many different international communities, and international students will feel welcome. The UK is a tolerant society, and it is illegal to discriminate against people because of their race, religion, gender, sexuality, or disability. Then we will look at what are the benefits of living in the UK. Firstly, if we look at the job market in the UK, it has a lot on offer. And despite all the uncertainties and the threat of a global turndown, the economy in the UK is steadily creating more jobs and increasingly pay levels. For those in full-time work, the average salary in the UK is currently £35,000 per year. A huge advantage of living in the UK is the easy access to the rest of Europe. One can travel for short stays to most European destinations, mainly due to the growth of budget airlines and intercountry trains. Like Eurostar, it is both logistically and financially accessible. British sightseeing and attractions. If we look at the British sightseeing and attractions, the UK is a small country with lots to see, and it is easy to use public transport to explore. Trains are the fastest way to travel, especially for long journeys. Outside the cities, there are beautiful countryside and many castles, historic houses, parks, and gardens. You can find student social programs which will include visits to the UK's popular destinations. Typical trips often include Stonehenge, Oxford, Cambridge, London, York, and Edinburgh. Different accents in the UK. There are different regional accents in the UK. A person from Edinburgh will sound a little different to a person from Bristol. Students do not need to worry about this. Teachers and host families will always speak very clearly for students, and local accents are useful, helpful, and friendly. Building a social network among students in the UK is essential if you are looking to achieve the perfect life. The people you choose to spend time with will help you maintain and even improve your well being. On the one hand, your friends will often bring you out of your comfort zone. And on the other hand, they will create a safe emotional space for you. Okay, students, I have presented a series of 10 videos in my channel up to now about study in the UK. I hope you found it useful and please put like and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. My next video will be COVID-19 and the UK university admissions. Thanks for watching.